Look at the person sitting next to you in traffic. Shiny SUV, leather seats. To you, they look like they've made it. To a bank, they look like a victim. Most people spend money they don't have to buy things they don't need, to impress people they don't even like. We've been told wealth is a look, a brand, a shiny object. But real wealth is silent. It's the money staying in your account instead of paying for someone else's yacht. Let's stop the bleeding. First, the new car trap. That new car smell costs you 20% of your net worth the moment you drive off the lot. The average person sees a $700 monthly payment and thinks, I can afford that. The wealthy see $84,000 over 10 years that could have been earning compound interest. Rich people buy used, pay cash, and drive them until the wheels fall off. The 10-second fix. Check your car's current trade-in value online. Let that depreciation sting a little. Next, timeshares. These are high-pressure traps wrapped in a family memories bow. You pay massive upfront costs and rising annual fees for a place you might not even use. The wealthy buy flexibility. They book hotels and keep their money liquid. The 10-second fix. Google timeshare resale value. You'll see people trying to give them away for $1 just to escape the fees. Then there's credit card interest. If you carry a balance, you're paying rent on your past at 24% interest. Rich people use cards for points, but pay them off daily. The bank should pay you, not the other way around. The 10-second fix. Look at your last statement's interest charge line. That's money you literally lit on fire. Let's talk designer gear. Usually, the bigger the logo, the smaller the bank account. It's a tax on people who want to look rich. Real wealth buys quantity, but skips the 500% markup for a name tag. The 10-second fix. Ask yourself, would I buy this if it had no logo? If the answer is no, put it back. Stop the buy it now itch. Wealthy people practice delayed gratification. They don't buy toys with their salary, they invest the salary and buy toys when the profit. The 10-second fix. Delete your saved credit card info from Amazon. Make it harder to click buy. What about your living room? That $200 cable package is just paying to be distracted from building your own life. Rich people create. They don't just consume. The 10-second fix. Cancel one streaming service you haven't watched this week. Avoid gimmick finance. Payday loans or high-fee insurance prey on those who only see the monthly payment. Even a 2% investment fee can eat half your wealth over 30 years. The 10-second fix. Check your investment expense ratio. If it's over 0.5, you're losing. Stop playing the lottery. It's a tax on those who are bad at math. The wealthy bet on themselves, not a plastic ball. The 10-second fix. Put that $10 ticket money into a high-yield savings account right now. Watch the small leaks. Coffee pots, pre-cut fruit, delivery apps. You're paying a 300% markup for 5 minutes of convenience. The 10-second fix. Delete your food delivery apps for 1 week. Single-use junk is a trap. Cheap razors and flimsy furniture feel cheap today, but you'll buy them 10 times. The rich buy for life. The 10-second fix. Find one thing you buy repeatedly and look for a high-quality, permanent version. Beware of status maintenance. Pools and boats aren't just purchases, they're infinite bills. The wealthy rent the boat and let the owner handle the repairs. The 10-second fix. Calculate the total cost of ownership before your next big buy. Finally, never buy what you don't understand. Don't chase a trending coin because of a TikTok video. If you can't explain it to a 10-year-old, keep your money. The 10-second fix. Read the fine print on your most complex investment today. The greatest thing you can own isn't a watch or a house. It's your time. When you stop buying things to look rich, you finally have the money to be free. Every no to a piece of junk is a yes to your future. Stop trying to look like the person in the SUV. Start being the person who owns the bank. Stay consistent, stay in the game.